When infants and toddlers are inside the vehicle, an approved child restraint seat or device must be installed to ensure they are seated safely. Child seats must be installed in the back seat due to the risk of airbag-related accidents if they are placed in the passenger seat. Place the child seat on the back seat and connect the ISOFIX of the child seat to the ISOFIX anchor of the vehicle seat. Attach the hook to the tether anchor and secure it firmly. Once it is securely fastened, fasten the child seat again using the vehicle seat belt. After installing the child seat, hold the plate and slowly pull the seat belt shoulder strap. Connect it through the child seat. Insert the plate of the 3-point seat belt into the buckle and ensure it clicks into place. Pull the seat belt shoulder strap all the way to switch to the automatic locking retractor mode. Slowly retract the shoulder strap to prevent any loosening of the seat belt. When you hear a sound during the retraction of the shoulder strap, the automatic locking retractor mode conversion is complete.
Kia, movement that inspires.